In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change regional preferences in Smartsheet, Language and Format 2026. By the end, you'll know exactly how to switch your language and adjust how dates, numbers, and other formats appear across your Smartsheet experience, so everything matches your local standards. First, open your browser and go to smartsheet.com. This is where we'll start every time you want to adjust your account settings. Next, sign in to your Smartsheet account. Click Sign In, choose the method your organization uses, and complete the login. If your company uses single sign-on, just follow the prompt. That's it for the login, quick and simple. After you log in, you'll land on your homepage. This is the dashboard where you can access your recent items and workspaces. Look to the left side of the screen for the main sidebar. We'll use it to get into your account settings. On the homepage, click the profile icon on the left sidebar. It may show your initials or an avatar. This opens a small menu dedicated to your account. From that menu, select Personal Settings. Then go to the Settings area inside that window. Depending on your view, you might see tabs like Account, Notifications, and Settings. Make sure you're on the Settings section so we can update how your account behaves. Now, find the Regional Preference section. This is where Smartsheet controls the language you see in the interface and the way dates, times, numbers, and currency formats are displayed. Adjusting this helps prevent confusion with things like day-month versus month-day formats or decimal versus comma separators. Choose the specific country and state that matches your location or the standards you want to use. Selecting the correct region ensures that new sheets and views follow your preferred formats. If language is available in your plan, pick the language you want the interface to use as well. When you're done, make sure to click Save. Your changes may apply instantly, but if you don't see them right away, refresh your browser. These updates affect your personal Smartsheet view. They won't override settings for other people in your workspace. To confirm everything is set, open any sheet and look at a date column or a number field to ensure they display the way you expect. If something still looks off, return to Personal Settings and double-check that the country and state selection is correct. That's all there is to it. With your regional preferences set, Smartsheet will feel more natural and reduce formatting mistakes across your work. Thanks for watching, and you're all set to work in the language and format that fits you best.